issues. You ran before, you lost. Why this time do you think that the voters should give you a chance this time since you lost the last time?
Yeah, well, it was a decade ago. So let me say this district is unique in many ways, but it shares a lot of the same problems with surrounding districts in terms of poverty, dropout rates, lack of development. We have very serious crime issues. I think I am positioned in I'm very well positioned to represent this district because of my past experience as a legislator. I'm going to Harrisburg not as a rookie, but I am very familiar with the leadership. I know about legislation. I have worked with public budgets, not only here, but in city council as well. So it gives me a balance of experience. And not only that, more importantly, that I brought monies, projects into this district. So I know how to do it. I've been there and I've done it. So, I think I'm uniquely qualified to represent this district, especially in a district that has so many problems. Thank you.